You're a spy guy, even more than and I beg you don't cry when you get bug in your eye, or when Jimmy's mom says goodbye.
Garfield, the kitty ride. Where should I be?
Oh, what happened?